so we're about to try what looks like some of the best wings here in Ghana, if not maybe Africa. We'll see. It's called the Lord of the Wings. So we got our seats now. Now we're just trying to decide what to eat. So we have the menus here. As you can see on the menu, it goes from mild to hot flavors. So we're not sure what we want to get, but we'll decide. This is my cousin, Nana Sewa. She was in one of my videos. The one about Ghana's Not What You Expect When We Went to the Beach. That was the one she was in. So go check that one out if you want to see. But anyway, let's order. So we decided to move inside just because it's air conditioned, and so it's obviously better. It's hot here. So we're inside now waiting for the wings to come. Look at that milkshake. Her milkshake's bringing the boys to the arms. It's here, guys. Look at that. We got some barbecue honey, sweet chili, and then some French fries, or they call them chips here. Yay! First, this one. This is the barbecue honey. I'll do one of each and then we'll like compare. So good. Now let me try sweet chili. I don't usually like pepper, so we'll see. So good! So this one's grilled. Oh, you can taste the smoke. You can taste the grill. You can taste the charcoal. Yeah, I'm satisfied. Definitely some of the best wings I've ever had. So guys, I figured out the big difference between the two types of wings. This one here tastes like a typical American chicken wing, whereas this one tastes like a Ghanaian chicken wing or an African chicken wing. Yep, so that was definitely worth it. We devoured it. Hi guys, so that's it for this Ghana vlog. I'm heading back to London and then back to LA, which is where I live. But overall, it's been great here in Accra. I hope that you subscribe. I release a video every single week, and turn on your notification bell so you get notified when I release more videos. It's definitely been a blast, but I'm excited to go back home because I do miss LA. So I will see